I'm going to be doing A25. That is one of the trickiest problems here in this test A of the book. It says that Mel starts to read on page 222 and ends reading at the bottom of page 358. It asking you how many pages did Mel read. You would say easily, well, the only thing that you have to do is subtract page 358 minus 222. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, and you would say it's 136. Wrong, it's not 136, it's 137 because it's telling you that it went all the way to the bottom of page 358. So if you only subtract, that means that you stop when you saw 358, but it says that you read page 358 altogether. I know that every time that I explain this problem to students, they go like crazy about it. Let me explain you in an easier way. Suppose that you start reading in page 1. You start page 1, right? And you read all the way to page 5. And I ask you, how many pages do you read? You're going to say, I read page 5. But in reality, 5 minus 1 is 4. You didn't read 4. You read 5 because you have to include the last page you read. So it's the same thing with this. You started in page 222, ended up in 358. You subtract 358 minus 222 and you add 1. So the answer would be letter B. The same way that if you start in page 1 and you reach all the way to page 5 and you complete, it would be 5 minus 1, which is 4, but you have to add 1. It would be 5 total pages. I hope it helps. This problem, I think you're going to find that on the ACT, but most students are going to get it wrong because they just subtract one number from the other.